What's up guys, in this video let's check out how well the Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, a phone with no water resistance, does against water accidents or rain. Keeping in mind that the Galaxy J6 Plus is a phone with no IP rating, let's start the test by first checking out the layer of oleophobic coating on this unnamed glass protection. An oleophobic layer helps out a bit in resisting water to a certain degree by repulsing water in the form of water droplets, and also helps in reducing fingerprint smudges to a great extent. This oleophobic coating was totally lacking in phones tested on the channel like the Realme 1, Realme 2 Pro and the recent Vivo Y81. And in cases like these, water tends to stick to the glass surface instead of rolling off, not helping at all in resisting water. Traditionally, these side-firing speakers on Samsung devices have not really performed well on the channel, so here's hoping that the Galaxy J6 Plus does better. Different phones perform differently against water, like for example the Asus Zenfone 5Z suffered from screen damage issues due to water seepage inside the display, or the Realme 2 Pro where water had temporarily entered the camera through the glass. But apart from these, the most common reaction to water is distorted and low audio through the external speakers, and this may last from a few seconds to several hours, which can permanently damage the sound unit. The Galaxy J6 Plus, similar to every Samsung device with side-firing speakers, was not able to pass the water test. In fact, it was the first device not able to reach even the light splashing round, since the audio got distorted pretty early and took about 40 minutes to recover, though the camera and the display did remain unaffected.